we are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It is your girl, the best fowler. I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you are notified when I next upload. In today's video, I will be showing you how I repair a nail as well as do a fill-in using Polygel. Before we get into the details of today's video, I just want to do my check-in. Today is November 16th, Thursday. It is 12:20 in the morning. I hope everyone is having a great day. If you are having a good day, go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comment section. If you're not having the best day, I do hope that my video brings you some joy as always. I am no longer working 2 jobs. I'm only working 1, so hopefully I can get a lot more content pushed out for you guys. I will be doing a part 2 to this video. I'm going to show you the design on my left hand, and then I'm also going to make a video showing you my right hand design because they are different. Now to the video. On my middle finger, I did break my nail. I was playing around with my little cousin and I ended up cracking my nail literally in the middle. It hurted bad and it was bleeding, but it's been a minute since that happened, so it's not hurting, but I do want to be very careful when I am taking the product off. I'm filing it down as much as possible, and then I'm going to soak it in acetone. So for the nails that are still intact and they just need to be filled in, I am going around the cuticle area to clean up any lifting that might have occurred over the last couple of weeks. And then I'm also taking down the bulk on the nails because I don't want them to be too bulky when I add more product. So the last design I had was very cute. It was a Halloween design and I was supposed to record it for you guys, but I didn't, unfortunately. But I do have a picture, so let's show that. I know this comes as no shock to you guys, but I never did do my right hand. So the plan was to test out the design on the left hand and then record me doing the design on the right hand. But I never got around to it. So yeah, that's what happened with my last Halloween set.
You went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall with all my hoes. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you want to steal in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still under field. Yeah. Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M's. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing it. Oh, you went demon. Shoot out the demon, man. Oh, you had Kane, man. Now that was string, man. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall with all my hoes. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you want to steal in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still under field.
Yo, look. Sis guy, he a visionary. I'm the definition like the dictionary. Baby, turn around, forget the missionary. If they pull up on me with some bad intentions, you go read about it in obituary. I got more soldiers in the military. I got more stones in a cemetery. I have more strings than y'all in February. It's getting hard to put a price on a show. Can't even pick an amount now. If a nigga really try to jam me, get jammed first like the countdown. I thank God for that flight.
For whatever reason, my pointer finger on my right hand was getting ugly, so I chopped it off. And I'm just going to take the product down so that I can soak it off and start all over just like the other nails.
Nine side going southbound. They say that life's about balance, baby, and the balance is in my account now. Okay, she got a perkin' and perk. I got a twerking and turks. She probably let both of us hit. The way that she smirking in dirt. She getting cake on the picture she take. I say, girl, if it worked, it didn't work. Fuck a wedding dress, I'm trying to murk it and
Hey, you went 5 minutes first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearl. Hey, you went Rolls Royce Hey, you want to spill in a spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rose Rush still on the field.
When I am using my drill on my right hand, so I'm using basically my non-dominant hand to drill my nail. When I am doing that, I try to use my thumb as an anchor to keep me very still. That way the drill is not running all over the place and I'm not hurting myself. Now I'm going in and fitting the nail tips to my fingers. I got these nail tips off of Amazon. They are clear stilettos and they're like extra long. They're too long for the design that I'm going to do today, but one day maybe I will keep them this long because I really like these. And just a little tip for anybody who don't already know, never size down when you are doing nail tips. You always want to size up. So if you can't find an exact fit, don't go with a smaller size. Use a bigger size because the smaller size will fall off. It will pop off.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you. That means I do it. All that went wrong, you're scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking, now we're for me. I got it. My bitch skin blue. Hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look at her under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just so important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody like you do. When I drop that rhyme with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the white bitch with the bob, you be my main one. Just take this argument back up to my face. Sex reminds you I'm not violent, I'm no day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. We magic, yeah. Smashing gratitude, yeah.
Sometimes when I have nail tips that don't fit my fingers, 9 times out of 10 it's that pinky because it's so small, of course. I will go in and I'll cut off the little ends and it helps it a lot as far as fitting better. So that is a tip for you guys if you want to try it.
Ain't no point when you're not in, but the point when you're not in, I'm saying.
So as I already said, these nail tips were too long for me, so I did go in with my straight edge nail clipper and I just cut the sides a little bit. Now I'm going in with my 180/100 nail file and I'm just shaping it a little bit. You don't want to do too much roughing these nails up at this stage because you just glue them down. You don't want them to pop off because you're being too rough. So I lightly go in and file the sides to just mold it into the shape that I am trying to accomplish. And then I'll really shape them up once I put the polygel on. Here's a little sneak peek of the colors we will be using for the actual design portion of the nail. And like I said, that will be a separate video. So definitely stay tuned for that because it will be dropping shortly after this one. going to use 2 coats of the protein bond from Young Nails. This is one of my favorite products. I promise you it is the reason why my nails last so long. And then I go in with the Builder Base from A Millie, which is another one of my favorite products. Both of these came from Amazon. I only do 1 coat of the Builder Base. When you are doing your filling with polygel, you want to just use a small amount of polygel. You don't need a lot. You just want to cover the space that is not covered and blend seamlessly. This polygel was cold when I was applying it, so it was a little bit stiffer than I would like, but everything worked out well, so that's fine. The slip solution that I am using is always alcohol. I believe this is 71% alcohol. And the brush that I'm using is from Beetles. Got it from Amazon. It's just a flat gel brush. Nothing too spectacular. As you saw, I do like to start with the polygel at my cuticle area, work it around there, and then I'll bring it down to the tip and just smooth everything out. And you're going to go in and like finish filing, so you don't really need to get this part perfect, but definitely want to get as close as possible. That way you're not filing for forever. I'm pretty sure y'all saw that moving the polygel was a little bit more of a challenge than typical. And like I said, it's because it was cold in the apartment. So you definitely want to make sure your polygel is warmed up beforehand. I've seen people put the tube into a glass of water or a bowl of water beforehand. That way it can warm up, because cold polygel is not the business.
Bang, bang, I'm calling your name. You're like a fire, the world can't tame. I wanna ride till the stars come out and play. Is that okay? Tonight it's me and you alone. Take a call, won't even write a song. This will be a personal
We are done applying the polygel, doing the fill-in, doing the repairs. I am going back in with my builder base gel, and I want you guys to see my shaping, because I did go ahead and shape off camera. It didn't take that long. It only took about 5 extra minutes, and then we are ready to go ahead and start our gel design. So if you are ready to see that, definitely stay tuned for me to drop that video, which will be coming shortly after this one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to come back for more. You can turn on the notification bells so you're notified of when I next upload.
Too.